Welcome to the Patwari Group. Patwari Management Corporation, your best choice. Who we are. First Washington Realty is a fully integrated national real estate investment and management firm that specializes in the ownership of convenience, necessity, and experience-oriented retail real estate. Our commitment. Our commitment is on placing customers' needs first. Our clients expect the best, and we would want it no other way. The Patwari Group Incorporation is positioned to be an e-business enabled company with the whole system reshaped to address the communication functions with clients. Our vision: to be the leading business resource firm in quality of people, products, and services, growth and innovation adhering to ethical standards in the way we operate our business. Integrity, responsiveness, social responsibility, teamwork, leadership, innovativeness, corporate orientation, excellence. Our services. The Patwari Group is a collaboration of business management consultant professionals who specialize in providing creative business, Washington Design and Development Consulting, architectural business, Washington Realty and Development, real estate, Washington Tax and Financial Services, Washington Investment Group, business development, HR Solution, Information Technology, Patwari Management Corporation, Management Consulting, personal replacement. Construction. Harbor View Developer. Our motives. We've been working internationally for over 12 years with adaptation and expertise. We are committed to providing services in line with advanced technology in the future. Muhammad Munir Patwari, Chairman, The Patwari Group. Nazneen Munir, Vice Chairman, The Patwari Group. Our corporate headquarters, 5881 Leesburg Pike, Suite B1B, Fall Church, VA 22041, Washington, D.C., United States of America. Contact number 120-270-46373, 170-3980-4399. Bangladesh Branch Office, 40/2 Unicorn Plaza, 2nd floor, Gulshan 2, Dhaka 1212, Bangladesh. Hotline 01710 313468, 01755 674960. Branch Office of South Sudan, Australia ST, Next Club Exclusive, Thongpini, South Sudan, Republic of South Sudan. Contact number 1202 520 4772.